Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about two banks that are competing heavily with Navy Federal. These two banks offer some really great products, and what I want to talk to you about with these two banks is that they pull from two different credit reporting agencies. One pulls from TransUnion, the other pulls from Experian. What that means for you is that you're going to be able to get both of these particular products that they offer with only one hard inquiry, one on each credit reporting agency. And in one of them, you can actually get three of their products with one hard inquiry. All right. So, as you know, on this channel, if you've never been here before, though, we talk about everything from personal credit, business credit, helping you boost your credit up so that you can take advantage of the bank's products so you can go out and get cash flowing assets. All right. And then that will help you be able to acquire the wealth so that you can travel around the world and then you can actually lay it down for your family members and everybody can be happy, right? All right. So let's go ahead on and get into it. The first bank I'm going to talk to you guys about is right here on the screen. As you can see, that is Veridian Credit Union. Veridian Credit Union is actually located out of Iowa, right? And they are geo restricted, but I'm going to show and share with you guys how you can get access into this bank. Okay. But I first want to talk to you about their products and what they have to offer. So then we'll talk about that, and then you can decide if it's a bank that you want to be able to rock with. The first thing, as I mentioned to you guys before, is that this bank pulls from TransUnion banks. And let's go ahead on and get into this bank. I like this bank for a number of different reasons, but the one that I like is that it offers a soft pull and seeing if you can get qualified beforehand. So this is really great for you guys if you just want to, feel it out to see if it's a bank that will actually rock with you or not from the get-go. It's almost like pre-dating. If you want to date me or not, here I am. So check it out. This bank, I'm going to share with you guys their credit cards that go up to like some personal credit cards that goes up to like 25K. They also have business products, but I'm going to stay on the personal credit for this video and this purpose only because we're also going to be talking about the other bank that I have in line for you. Okay, so let's talk about their credit cards that they have. They offer three credit cards: a Visa Signature, a Visa Platinum Rewards, and a Visa Platinum card. Now, the Visa Signature card is special because it has a 2% cash back. Not that great, but still something. What I like about it the most, though, you guys, is that each one of these cards have no annual fee and they have free balance transfers, right? That is huge. So if you're carrying debt on one of your other cards, go ahead and transfer your debt over here for the free balance transfer. Let's go ahead and start looking at is there personal loans. They have personal loans that go up to $40,000. There's two particular loans. They have one that's just a regular personal loan that goes up to 40,000, and then they have one that's a premier personal loan that goes up to 40,000. On that one, you're going to need to have your credit score on the premier personal. You're going to need to have your credit score up 720 and above to qualify. But on the other one, you can actually qualify for this loan as long as your credit is decent. So I'm assuming, I'm not for sure about this, but I'm assuming it can be less than a 720. So you're probably looking at the 680 range to get qualified for this loan. Your limits, your rate will just be a little bit higher. All right. So they have something called the Payday Alternative Loan, also known as PAL. Basically, what this is a payday loan that they'll give you up to $1,000. They give you half available up front. The other half is held until the loan is paid in full. So essentially, basically, it's $500, right? When you half paid in full, so it's a payday alternative loan that gives you $500. So if you need it, it comes in handy. It's out there for you. The other thing I like about what they offer for their loans is they have something called the delay of pay for loans, where you can actually take 2 months off in a calendar year of not having to pay the amount that you owe on that loan. So you can get 2 months off, and they only charge you $30, right? So it's like you can think of it as like a $30 fine or fee to be able to take advantage of this offer. So say you get the $40,000 loan with this particular company. You get the $40,000 loan, something comes up and you're a little low on money, you can actually take advantage of it's called delay of pay option. So that's a really great tool for you guys if you guys are getting some of these larger loans, like these $40,000 loans with this particular company, up to 2 a year. All right. They also offer business products. Now, I'm not going to go too heavy into the business side of things. I didn't see anything that was too juicy to be able to tell you. Just the fact that they offer business loans and business credit cards with this. Later time, I'll dig deeper and finding more information out about that. But let's talk about how you guys can be a member inside of this particular bank. Okay, so to become a member, you have to live in Iowa, and they will allow you to be a member as long as you live within any of the 99 counties inside of Iowa. Also, if you live in Minnesota, but you're going to have to live in certain counties like Anoka, Carver, Dakota, Hennepin, Ramsey, Scott, Washington, and Wright. That's if you live in Minnesota. Now, if you live in Nebraska, you can also qualify to get in if you're in Cass County, Douglas, Lancaster, Sarpy, Saunders, and Washington County. Okay. Now, don't worry about it, guys. Even if you do not live in those counties, you can still qualify to become a member inside of this particular credit union. All you have to do is donate $5 to the Habitat of Humanity of Iowa, and make sure you put them down when you're filling out your membership application, and you can also qualify to get into this bank and take advantage of this bank's products. Okay, so that is the Habitat for Humanity, right? So if you don't live in one of these counties, or if you don't live in the state of Iowa, don't worry. They'll still let you in. It's $5 donation to get in, and then $5 to be able to open up a basic checking account. So $10 total to get you into this bank and start qualifying for the $40,000 loan, for the $25,000 credit card, all pulled with just TransUnion. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about the next bank that I have for you, and that's going to be, stay tuned.